Gauri, it's lovely to have you here. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
You know, motherhood really suits you, looking lovely.
Thanks.
Do you feel like a mother?
I want to feel like a mother, but I'm feeling very tired at the moment.
But you believe it all? Have you digested this miracle?
I'm coming to grips with it, but it's very strange when somebody's saying, like you said, when we came in, how's your son? So it's like,
And
you're talking to me,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, he's okay. Just like that, but yeah, it's great fun.
How did you share the pregnancy? Did he share it with you?
He did. He tried very hard. I don't know.
Good intentions, but...
Oh, I got her pregnant, what more do you want me to do?
Okay. Did you get the labor pains?
I didn't know how the woman reacts when she gets into labor, and I'd heard that you're supposed to breathe with her, but she wasn't breathing or anything. I mean, she was like, yeah, she was screaming very strangely. She was like, and all. So she wasn't even like, I'd seen in films like, and all, but she wasn't doing that.
No, nothing like that. I hardly had any labor pains because I had a cesarean, so I immediately went in.
Then they went for the cesarean, and it was very stupid because I had heard like when the baby's coming out, you're supposed to breathe. And when I didn't know that when the cesarean was happening, you're not supposed to because it doesn't make a difference. But I was still going like.
Okay. But were you there for the delivery moment?
Yeah, I was there. I was.
He was nearly pulling the baby
I
out
was like
and
inside
taking photographs.
I was taking photographs and everything.
The
I've never
doctors
seen her
were
like
like,
this.
let us work, let us
Like,
fix her up.
I went into the thing with my mask and everything, and they took the baby out, the incision, and though she told me not to see it, but I really enjoyed the moment. It's like, I'm not trying to sound morbid or gruesome, but the sight of this nature's color of even the redness of the blood and there's blue parts there and yellow fat, it's also translucent. No, I'm telling you, it's so translucent, it's not at all gruesome. It's really wonderful. You'll never see colors like that in life. And then this, and you know, his head came out first.
Okay.
It was like, poop. He just came out and his look was, about time, guys, what are you doing? I'm like, it's taking really long. And then he came out and he was a little grey and as soon as he came out, even before they took him out completely, he started crying. And they just took him out, and then there's this amazing celebration time in the operation theatre. I don't know if she was conscious enough to realize this or not.
No, I won't.
And they're like, it's a boy, it's a boy, it's a boy.
I'm upset now.
Like as if they all also had worked very hard towards this.
How did it feel?
I don't know, I was just like, okay, take him away, let me go and see if Gauri's okay.
Okay.
Because I was not so close to him at that point of time. I've known her longer. So I guess...
How did you decide to name him Aryan? Why did you choose this name? It's a lovely name.
Just like that. I was just sitting out in the studios one day and I just liked the name Aryan. So
and then he got the name on the printout. He designed it.
I sold it to everybody. I gave it to a family, everyone.
Begged everybody to like the name. You
nice.
have to like the
Beautiful name.
Yeah, and I told them like in Islamic places it can become Aryan. In our country it can be Aryan. And when he's abroad he'll be Aryan.
That's
There'll be
true.
so many pronunciations.
Fit in everywhere.
Fit in everywhere.
How has he changed your lives?
I like toys a lot since childhood. I love toys. Even now, it's very strange that I'm over 30 and I like toys. So for me, this is the best toy. I mean, like it's like a walking, talking doll, and he's got some amazing expressions, and he doesn't give a damn about the fact that I'm his father. So like, I go, Aryan, this is here, Shah Rukh. Listen, everybody's wanting to see me and all. Come on, dude, I'm talking to you. And he's like, he yawns, he just looks away, and I mean, he's very sweet. He's a very quiet child. He doesn't like cry too much and all.
You had Gauri all to yourself all these years, and now suddenly there's another little Khan competing for her affections and her time.
She's the problem. She's the one who's going to be ignored. We Khans are going to stick together. We Pathans are like that. She's the one who's going to be ignored. Then I have no such problem. She's going to ignore me. We'll be friends, we'll be pals, and I even now feel that he likes me better.
Oh, yes?
Yeah,
I know how you get
He doesn't talk now to everyone, but he tells me.
He does.
Look, I like you better, but I just make them feel better because I need the food from here. So I just पेट के लिए मैं कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, but otherwise, I'm your guy.
And I'm sure it's going to happen. Rotten. And
I'm sure you're going to spoil your son.
No, not at all. I've just told him that, you know, he can, when he's 3 or 4 years old, he can run after girls, and he can smoke as much as he wants. He can do drugs, he can have sex, he can do womanize.
When he's 3?
Yeah, because
when he's 2, I think 2 months.
Because
not
it's
3.
nicer to start early, and he should enjoy everything. And I mean, he should have fun. He should do everything I've not done.
So what are the things that you really like him to do? Do you want him to be a super achiever?
I don't know. I think all parents like, when my son grows up, he'll be a player, he'll be this. But I guess we can't push our children to do anything. You push them to do, they'll do just the opposite.
Wise mother already.
I don't think you can even think that you want your son. You want the world for him, but he has to decide, I guess, when he grows up.
But do you have any particular dreams that you would...
No, I just want him to be a good boy. That's it.
Not much chance with a dad like this.
No. I mean, if he's a good boy,
I just don't want
He's
him
out
to
of
be...
the house.
I just don't want him to be a spoiled brat, which I'm sure he's going to be.
Completely a spoiled brat. If I don't have trouble with other people's parents, especially my... I've told all my heroines that you'll have daughters, and my son...
And he'll be running after
He'll be running after them, and every day I want complaints from all of them. And say, please keep your son out of our houses, our daughters' lives. I want him to spoil the whole of the city, all the girls.
I thought you were going to say neighborhood, and then you said city.
No, city, and I'm trying for the country now. I'm going for it. I want him to have a Harley Davidson jacket, and I want to wear studs and everything. He should be really cool, long hair, and...
Okay.
Yeah, he should be a playboy. He should be really spoiled.
He's going to be a movie star.
Oh yeah, that's one of the bad things that you have to do, so he'll have to do it.
Any particular quality that you would like him to grow up with?
I mean, actually, it's too little to even think that
he should be just like me.
Well, that'd be difficult. You can't have so many good people in this
all
world.
the qualities in the world. I'm the best.
Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's go back in search mode. Right to the beginning, when you both met each other.
Yeah, we just met at a party and friends along, just like meeting at the club or something, or, just...
She had the hots for me.
She had thoughts of you.
That's what he thinks. Insists.
She was running after me. She was calling me. Really made my life miserable. And then I had to finally give in.
Okay, so tell me, when did you give in and how did it happen?
Nothing. She has a large family. They're like 15 people. They pin me down and they say, you marry her. So I say, okay, I'll marry her. Please don't beat me up and all. And they have a big kumbh and whole family. And I was like all alone, small me. So I had to give in. I had to marry her. I was forced into this marriage. I'm like, it's like child abuse. I'm going to report to all social activists and all later on. No, seriously, I'm learning really. I mean, I've even called up Maneka Gandhi. Everything. Everybody I've been calling. All the
Nobody helps.
Nobody's helping.
So you're on your own?
I'm absolutely on my own. But now I have another Khan, so we'll take our revenge.
Tell me, how did he ask you to marry him?
He didn't ask me. We just had to get married.
Aryan has just come now.
I know, it took long. I didn't know. Because of that.
No, it wasn't like he asked me or proposed to me or anything. It wasn't. It's just that we just knew each other for so long, and I mean,
It was like the natural course of things to happen.
I don't think I can marry
We just wanted to
anybody
spoil a
else.
good relationship, so we decided to get married.
But did you have any apprehensions about marrying an actor?
I don't know. It all happened so quick that I didn't think that he's going to be in the films, like be a part of the industry or anything. I thought he'll just do 1 or 2 films, and I guess I just thought it's like doing a serial or something, not realizing that I thought he'd flop and he'll never do any other film. Frankly,
No, seriously, did you really?
Really, I thought it's all rubbish. He'll just do 1 or 2 films, he'll just be thrown out, and then that's it.
And that's what I like. She cares about me, and she thinks about me. Wishing me the best.
Then this
Our relationship stood the test of time.
And his Divana did really well. And I was like, really?
What's Shah Rukh like at home?
Shah Rukh is different at home.
They don't believe that I'm shy, Gauri. Tell them I'm shy.
Yeah, shy whenever it's convenient.
Okay, all the...
Oh, get it all by yourself.
If it's somebody from his field of acting or direction, he has interest in, not that he doesn't have interest in people, but then he's really comfortable, then only he's talking, and you can hear him. But otherwise, if people who doesn't know, then he's like quietly sitting in one corner and his head is down, and and people feel that he's strange. He's an actor. He should be able to talk to everybody. And how people feel that he can act on stage and screen and everything. How can he be shy? People don't understand.